everyone, it's Yuto here from slachirecipes.com, and today I'm going to show you how to make a quick and simple yet delicious pork steak dish called Tonteki. First, let's look at what we'll need for this recipe. 3 cloves of garlic, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 pork chops, a pinch of salt and pepper, and 100 grams of shredded cabbage. Then for the sauce, 1 teaspoon of butter, 1 tablespoon of mirin, 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, and 1 teaspoon of honey. So we'll start with one of my favorite parts of this dish, the garlic chips. Take your garlic cloves and thinly slice them. Add 2 tablespoons of olive oil to a pan and fry them on a low heat until they get crispy. Tonteki pork steak has great flavor, and it all starts here with this garlic. Not only are we going to get crispy garlic chips out of this, but we're also flavoring the oil for later. We're gonna cook everything in this pan, including the sauce. We don't need to wash the pan in between each step either. We want the garlic flavor to carry on throughout the whole dish. It saves some washing up too. So once the garlic has crisped up nicely, take it out and put them on kitchen paper just to absorb any excess oil. Before we put the pork in the pan, add some incisions to stop it curling. Sprinkle some salt and pepper on each side. Now let's add the pork to the pan. We turn up the heat to medium and cook for 3 minutes with the lid on. After 3 minutes, flip the pork chops over and turn down the heat to low. Cook for another 3 minutes, keeping the lid on. While that's cooking, I'll tell you a little bit more about Tonteki. The word ton comes from the Japanese character for pig. You've probably heard ton in the names of lots of other Japanese dishes such as tonkatsu or tonjiru. The teki part comes from Japanese way to pronounce steak, which is like steaki. Steaki, tonteki, get it? So when you put them together, you get tonteki or pork steak. So once the pork is done, put it on a plate and cover it in foil. Leave it to rest while we make the sauce. Again, we're using the same pan, so let's add 1 teaspoon of butter. One tablespoon of mirin. 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, and 1 teaspoon of honey. I don't really know why this dish isn't more popular. It's so quick and easy from start to finish. It probably takes about 20 minutes in total. Simmer until thickened. By using the same pan, this sauce has aroma from the garlic and the juices from the pork added to it. That's what makes it so rich and delicious. And it only takes a few minutes to make the sauce. Once it's thickened, let's serve it up. Pile up half of your cabbage on each plate and place the pork next to it. Drizzle the sauce over the meat and cabbage. You really don't need any salad dressing for this. This sauce is tasty enough by itself. Add the garlic chips. And that's it. Delicious Japanese Tonteki pork steak. Ready in 20 minutes. Thank you for watching today's recipe. If you liked it, feel free to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more Japanese cooking. And the written version of this recipe is in our website. Have a great day. See you next time.